Daring Abroad, brought to you in partnership with Coop Bank Diaspora Banking. Banking just like home.
Hello there and welcome to the show. Today we are coming to you right from Dallas City in Texas, USA. And as you can see, it's bright and sunny, but a bit cold. The temperature now is about 10 degrees Celsius. Nevertheless, we have interesting topics lined up for you, including how Imarisha Sacco is transforming the lives of Kenyans living abroad. And these are the highlights of what is coming up.
It has over 150,000 members worldwide.
Majority of our clients in the diaspora are in the US and the UK.
And an asset base of over 20 billion Kenya shillings.
The impact of Imarisha has been very great.
Imarisha Sacco and how they're improving the lives of their members both home and away.
Their customer service is just like America.
We have a 24-hour call center.
Also on the show, Resco's Gardens, a prime real estate development by Cooperative Bank, and why it's a must invest in property, especially for the diaspora.
It's put in mind the modern investor. Somebody is looking for value for their money.
All set for the show? All right, let's begin with how Imarisha Sacco is transforming the lives of Kenyans daring abroad. Imarisha Sacco Society Limited, with over 150,000 members, is one of the leading SACCOs in Kenya that has established itself as a key life-changing institution in the cooperative sector. The SACCO has over 4,000 members in the diaspora and has become an important channel through which its diaspora members are investing back home. It is against this background that the society continues to expand its footprint beyond the Kenyan borders, with the United States of America being its top diaspora source of membership.
In 2013-2014, most members in diaspora were requesting us to have them joining Imarisha Sacco. Then we started way back in 2015, when the first representative came here to do marketing, and it proved successful. The coming of Imarisha here has also enabled the members who are here get money, purchase trucks here, also do development back home, which has also enabled them to develop.
One of the annual events where Imarisha Sacco attends to interact with members of the diaspora is the Kalenjin cultural event known as Gotabga International. And this was the 2023 chapter in Houston, Texas.
We normally educate them on the product catalog we have. And one they have actually embraced is the fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is one account that has attracted the community here because most of their money is sitting in their bank's account, but rarely would they get any interest on it. We have made a way so that we have to negotiate with them a very good rate so that they also benefit out of the savings they remit back at home.
Janet Ruto is the president of Gotabga International. She says she joined the SACCO in 2018.
My family back home and here have really benefited from Imarisha Sacco. First thing that we did, we were able to purchase a piece of property back home, avocado farms, which is 6 acres avocado farms. My 3 kids have Parrot account with them. I have a savings account, and then I have the one with shares. That one has really helped our family in case we had fixed deposit that we put in at the beginning of the year. When we go home in December, we get our interest, we have good times. Family vacation, we don't have to pay for it, we pay through the interest. So it has been a family business for us.
We have come to Kotabka to attend their AGM, which we are also part of the sponsors who are sponsoring the activity. And we are happy with Kotabka because most of the things they are doing are part of what we also do. Their core values are almost the same as ours. We work with those people so that as we learn from them, they also learn from us. And that's what we do in Imarisha. Most of the members of Kotabka are our members. And we like working with our members in all the areas we are doing.
My name is Zalfa Medo, and I come from Minnesota. I've lived there for the past 7 years. I work with healthcare. I work in an hospital. One time I visited a family friend I've known for a very long time, and he talked to me about a Sacco called Imarisha Sacco. So I was like, tell me more about it. So you explained to me everything about what goes on with Imarisha. That includes the savings, helping of building houses, giving loans to do maybe your business, also helping your family back home and all. So I was like, it looks like this is what I need in my life. Then I decided to join, which is pretty recently.
Imarisha Sacco was registered in 1978 as a teacher's Sacco, but has since opened its doors to all professionals and entrepreneurs from all walks of life. Imarisha Sacco boasts of an asset base of over 20 billion shillings, members' deposits worth 15.23 billion shillings, and a loan portfolio of over 16.55 billion shillings. Enrollment details, products, and services are well elaborated on the Sacco's website. You can visit the Sacco's branches or make a call to be assisted. The headquarters of the Sacco is at the Imarisha Sacco building in Kericho.
We have a state-of-the-art customer experience center, which is a one-stop shop where customers are able to get all the services. All the departments have been put together, and whenever there's any issue, the customer can be sorted once. Within the customer experience center, we have a 24-hour call center where customers' inquiries can be sorted out, where our members who are in diaspora, majorly America, are able to reach us during the night. It is a 24-hour center, and therefore anyone, whatever the time, can be able to reach us.
Majority of our clients in the diaspora are in the US and the UK. So they do transactions at night. So someone would want to deposit money and they need prompt response to, whatever that they are transacting. So we respond to their emails, we receive their calls, and we try to sort them out as instantly as possible without having to wait for the next day. Also, you will not miss a Kenyan or two trying to make a call at night. Yes, we receive calls from Kenya, from Kenyans at around 2 a.m. in the morning.
Apart from the headquarters branch, the other branches are Nairobi, Bureti, Bomet, Mulot, Ndanai, Keringet, Awasi, Nandi Hills, Narok branch, and Eldoret branch. Charles Rono, the manager of Eldoret branch, says the Sacco serves salaried members as well as those in business, and that the payrolls of a good number of institutions, including hospitals, universities, and colleges in Uasin Gishu and neighboring counties, are handled by the branch.
We are privileged to have this branch around because it has really impacted a number of people within Eldoret and Uasin Gishu County and its environs. This branch actually serves that part of Trans Nzoia County. It serves also Elgeyo Marakwet County and part of Baringo County. The branch has a good network in terms of clientele, whereby our clientele cuts across from those who are salaried to customers who are business oriented and even the farmers within.
I joined this branch 5 years ago. When I joined, I came with a logbook of one matatu, which was operating between Kericho and Eldoret. As I speak today, 2023, I have managed to benefit from Imarisha with a fleet of 7 matatus, which are operating in different circles within Eldoret, Nairobi, Eldoret, Kisii, and Eldoret, Kericho.
The impact of Imarisha has been very great. Members have acquired property, have gotten loans. Also, the latest impact of Imarisha is a product which we have in Imarisha, which is called Pongea. This Pongea has assisted families who have not been able to get children. We are paying for them for their IVF.
In Kericho, we meet Benson Kimemia, the director of Greenview Nursing Home, an inpatient and outpatient facility that has benefited from Imarisha Sacco funding as a corporate member. Kimemia is happy with the Sacco's use of technology to offer services.
You can be able to log in, use the app, and transact at your fingertips, move money from the bank to your mobile phone, deposit using your phone, and you can also be able to transact any type of transactions and even pay bills using the Imarisha app. We've been members since 2018, and they've been supportive to all our staff, both on an individual basis and also as an institution, Greenview. When you're signed up as an employee, you have a contract with Greenview. We sign you up with Imarisha as our payroll partner, and you'll be able to access most of their facilities and services through Greenview as an employer.
From Kericho to Eldoret to Dallas in Texas, those testimonials crown Imarisha Sacco's socio-economic impact both in Kenya and abroad. The diaspora loans available at the Sacco include Ugaibuni Loan, Homeland Loan, Nguvu Loan, and Diaspora Loan, in addition to other products the Sacco offers.
We have an array of products. We have personal loans, and this majorly as the check of loans. And in this one, we have development loans, we have school fees loans, we have refinance loans, etc. We have also business loans, we have also farming loans, we have also corporate loans.
Really, sure. Unlike the markets in back home, these people normally want to repay their loan faster. They don't want the long-term loans like what we have in Kenya, like 7-year-old development loan, 6 years. So we have custom-made products for the community here. We have developed for development loan, then we also assist them on mortgage, asset finance.
I'm Dr. Mordecai Ongo. I work at a university here in North America in the state of Michigan. I'm a member of Imarisha Sacco, and I've been a member since 2018, and we've developed very close relationship. Imarisha has been very instrumental in supporting one of the projects that I am running over in Homa Bay County. This is a fish farm, Amudo Aquaponics. They have financed the project. The project cost about 2.5 million. So I put in part of the money myself, and they have also put in part of the funds. And this would have not been realized without their support.
Their customer service is just like America. Here we are used to calling customer service even at night, and they answer. And Imarisha is the one thing that I found out with them. When I call them, they have a department set specifically for diaspora members. So I would like to encourage anybody in Australia, America, Canada. But if you love customer service, Imarisha is your Sacco.
Tell us what you're able to do because of technology.
Direct from my phone, I can deposit my money every month using Wave. The way I send money to my dad or my mom is the same way I send money to Imarisha Sacco. There's no third party. It's me and Imarisha directly.
That report about Imarisha Sacco leads us into a short break. When we return,
It's put in mind the modern investor. Somebody is looking for value for their money.
a look at how Kenyans living abroad can invest back home through Cooperative Bank's Property Hub.
Bamba Nyumba na AMG. Win a 3-bedroom house in Nanyuki sitting on a quarter-acre or a 30K weekly shopping voucher or a monthly plot with Bamba Nyumba na AMG promotion. For every 100K you spend buying or paying for your plot, you earn 1 entry to the draw. The more you invest, the more entries you get. Call 0796 888 555 today. Bamba Nyumba na AMG. Usiwachwe nyuma.
Looking for a home investment in a serene neighborhood? Centum Real Estate presents Cascadia Apartments, located within the thriving Two Rivers development in Nairobi. At Cascadia, you are only a few minutes walk to our 4DX cinema, retail shopping, coffee venues and restaurants. Your kids get to enjoy play areas at our theme parks. Deposit 970,000 shillings, pay balance in flexible installments or mortgage financed. Talk to us today on 0742 342 722.
You're watching Daring Abroad, brought to you in partnership with Coop Bank Diaspora Banking. Banking just like home.
Welcome back. Remember, we are coming to you right from Dallas City in Texas, USA. Now, in this show, we've previously showcased how Kenyans living abroad can invest back home through Cooperative Bank's mortgage financing. And not just that, we've also seen what you can find in the bank's property hub, whether it's your ideal home or a unit for investment. And today, we are looking at Racecourse Gardens with Michael Zimanji.
Back home, powered by Cooperative Bank. Kenya's real estate sector is booming. Over the past couple of years, the country has seen a rise in the number of property developers actively engaged in contributing to the government's affordable housing target. This is thanks to an increase of investors in the field, with the diaspora leading the charge. Now, a key player in this sector is Cooperative Bank's Property Hub and Mortgage Finance, headed by Patrick Masharia.
Cooperative Bank is in the business of offering financial solutions, and in the course of doing so, we realized that there's an opportunity in helping customers identify solutions that are affiliated to the mortgage product. So we realized we were giving customers mortgages, but not pointing them in the right direction as far as the properties are concerned. So that's why we came up with the Property Hub, just to have an end-to-end solution for the customer who is looking to invest in property. Meaning then, if you walk into Property Hub, you're on the one hand able to identify a property, even as you secure funding to enable you own a property.
Since incorporation, Property Hub has handled over 30 billion worth of properties all across the country, one of them being Racecourse Gardens along Gong Road.
In total, you're looking at about 464 units, which are largely studio apartments, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, in an area which is fast coming up, noting the high demand for residential units within this locality. When you look at real estate, location is a key factor. And the sole reason why we focused on Racecourse Gardens is because the location is quite ideal. Right in the middle of everything, noting the roads, the good road network that we have around here, meaning you have quick access to either the airport, Westlands, CBD, or any other area you'd want to link up to. So the reason why we focused here is we found an ideal piece of land, and we felt residential units would actually fit in this area, noting the location, proximity to services, and the fact that here, as you come in, and you'll notice based on the facilities we've offered, is actually a place you'd call home. It's also appealing for those who are looking for an investment option, because there's a very high demand for housing units, both on the short and the long stays. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment. It measures 35 square meters, and you can see it's also an open plan design. So if you look at how this project has been done, it's put in mind the modern investor. Somebody who is well traveled, well versed with real estate, somebody who is looking for value for their money. Good thing about this project is that the concept was very well thought out, but also the design is very well done. If you look at the workmanship, if you look at the quality of the work, if you look at the materials used, and the design in the first place, these are things that would impress any investor coming in today. If again you look at how everything has been conceptualized in this project, you realize that we have plenty of play areas, plenty of green spaces, and other areas which in normal buildings you will not see. We have a flat roof which has been activated, meaning if you're hosting a party, if you're hosting friends, you have plenty of space to take advantage of without affecting the other residents. You realize we've offered a whole package on what you'd be looking out for as an investor. You have a nice play area where your children will actually play. We have a kindergarten within the premises. We also have a nice gardened swimming pool. We have plenty of parking space, a commercial space, meaning as you come in, you'll get all the amenities within one space. So that makes it unique in that anybody who's looking for a home will have all the amenities they are going for, and anybody who is looking for an investment option has the right tool that they would go for in terms of an investment option.
In addition, the property has fully fledged property managers who take care of one's investments upon acquisition. Let's now talk cost. What does it take for one to own property here?
The studio is currently going for 3.5 million shillings, of course, which is concessional, because you note the price marked for the studio is 3.8, but between now and end of December, we are giving a concession. So 3.5 for the studio apartments, 4.6 for one of the 1-bedroom units designs, 4.8 for the other 1-bedroom design, and 7.8 million shillings for the 2-bedroom apartment.
And talk about financing. Is there a down payment? How does one go about it?
So financing is available from Cooperative Bank, and one can get up to 100% financing for a period of up to 20 years. Well, that's also applicable, for Kenyans who are based in the diaspora. For those who are based locally, you can also take advantage of the affordable housing loans, where you can get a mortgage for, a rate as low as 9.9% per annum. So that's applicable, but one opting to pay cash, then you can put down a 10% deposit.
According to Patrick, investing in real estate through Property Hub is a no-brainer, especially for those in the diaspora.
If you look at the 3 reasons why people invest in property, either somebody is looking for a roof over their head, or somebody is looking for capital gains, i.e. the property will appreciate in value, or like in the case for Race Course Gardens, one is looking at an immediate return where they'll get monthly rental income from that property. So if you come to the hub, we are able to point you to the right direction based on exactly what it is you're looking for in real estate. For this project, gladly you can get into it for all the 3 reasons. 1, you can buy this unit either for your own occupation. You can also take it in for capital appreciation, or like most of the investors here are doing, they are buying to rent out to earn a monthly stipend. So we'll be able to guide you and point you in the right direction, of course, depending primarily on what it is you want to get from the investment you're going for. All the properties you'll find at the Property Hub are all bank financed, meaning at the point of advancing the facility to the developer, the bank had to do its own due diligence on the property. Meaning anybody buying into any of the options we have is getting into a clean deal because all these properties have already been vetted. So the main thing, in addition to the funding, would be the credibility that Property Hub brings to any deal.
Currently, the growth of Kenya's real estate sector stands at an annual average of 6%. This is as a result of high population and urban growth rates that are projected to continue increasing in the coming years, thus making the sector a profitable vehicle for diaspora investments.
The best time to invest in property is actually today. Reason being, properties keep appreciating in value, meaning if you get in today, you'll get the time value of your money. So the time to invest in property is now, and ideally work with a reputable property agent, and that is why Property Hub would be glad to walk with you through the property journey.
Cooperative Bank, we are you.
Thank you so much, Michael, for that report about Racecourse Gardens, one of the real estate developments that are listed in the Cooperative Bank Property Hub. And to our dear viewers, with that, we come to the end of the show. Always a pleasure having your company. And remember, we were coming to you right from Dallas City in Texas, USA. See you again next time, and many thanks for watching.
Daring Abroad, brought to you in partnership with Coop Bank Diaspora Banking. Banking just like home.